My name is Kerry L. I get testosterone treatment with Dr. Tack, and I also get my human growth hormone peptide injections with Dr. Tack. The last 9 months since I've discovered Dr. Tack have been life-changing. I suffered with low testosterone, extremely low, and human growth hormone. Probably for the last 20 years, it looks like. Primary care physicians did not really address the issue. Best decision I made was come and see Dr. Tack. He's gotten both of those levels up to where they need to be, and I've noticed life-altering changes to my health. My fat content's gone down. My quality of my blood has gone way up. My weight's gone down. My strength's gone up. I've suffered with chronic pain for the last 25 years. I'm a former paraplegic, and getting on the testosterone and the HGH treatment has lowered my chronic pain by 50-60% already. And it's my sleep's gotten better. Across the board, quality of my life has improved, and I really wish that my primary care physicians would have gotten me on a hormone treatment a long time ago. I think it should be part of every physical, annual physical for men and women from age 35 and up, because that I would imagine, if I'm not the only one, that could be a problem for a lot of people, and they just don't know it yet. Neuropathy, so it's from the spine. I've had several spine fusions, spine stimulator implant, which I don't even need to use right now, thanks to Dr. Tack. And what it's allowed me to do is build enough muscle onto my bones, onto my skeleton structure, to create enough strength that the nerves don't hurt as much anymore. There's enough muscle in there to support everything. That was not the case before the testosterone treatment. And so I dealt with chronic pain because I was unable to build muscle and solidify these areas that hurt so much. But now, chronic pain's down to almost zero. I highly recommend Dr. Tack, or get to a doctor that can address any hormone imbalances. The sooner you do it, the better, because our lives don't get any shorter.